Hello everybody! Today we are going to test two different popular brands on my car. PLAK produced in Italy and K2 produced in Poland. We start with the first PLAK product. Apply the product to the car rims and wait 5 minutes. Next we apply K2, wait 5 minutes, wash with water. Then wash with water. The first things I see in K2 is liquid action indicator. We see a red color. Both products cleaned the rims well, but after K2 there was a shine. Write in comments what product you use, what is best for you. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, comments on the video.